Morning everyone, it's Saturday morning and today I'm working on my 2011 Audi Q5 diesel, planning to change all the front control arms and the, well actually not the lower front control arms, I've already changed that, but the suspension mounts because they are making a creaking noise, or something's making a creaking noise, and I think it's that. So we're going to get that changed. This is I say a longish job, but yeah, hopefully get it done quickly. We've got the dreaded pinch bolt at the top control arm that I'm probably gonna have to remove, but yeah, keep watching and you'll see how it goes. Right, so I'm a few minutes in, got my trusty helper Steve doing the other side. So we've just taken off the wheel, which everyone should be able to do. This is the pinch bolt that is probably going to cause us some problems. Haven't put any PB blaster on it, but we're just going to apply heat straight away because I think it's going to be a problem. This car has done 145,000 miles, so yeah. And these are the original tie rods at the top. So yeah, just taking off the brake pads or calipers and we'll be done in a bit. When it rains it pours, so the front suspension arm knuckle got the pinch bolt out with ease, but this little piece, as you see, has dropped off. Should be alright to put the bolt in, but I'm gonna have to buy a new one, and that's gonna set me back about 150 quid. So it's all fun and games, but anyway, cheaper than if I took it to the garage as yet. Right, where we at with this, guys? Run into a few little problems. So took off the strut and don't have a compression tool, which is needed, so just gone to get one of those, or a friend has popped out to get those so we can put the that's new actually. Is that the old? I think that's the old bush that we took off, and here's a new one. And if we want to do a little comparison, if you see these little teeth at the top, you can see where they've been pushed down. There is another one at the bottom, but I don't think that's a problem. So yeah, so that's where we are with that. So that's the right hand side of the car. Should be able to get that back on shortly, and that's good. And then it's about going to the other side of the car, left hand side, and doing that. But yeah, I'll come back in a minute and I'll show you what we got to. Right people, this has been a tricky job, but as you can see, we do have new upper control arms, and we do have a brand new, actually I say brand new, I found there wasn't actually a brake dust cover on this driver's side, so we've got a brand new one of those, and we're lower control arm, so that side's looking good. Just need to do the passenger side and then we're all good. So just for reference, this is the state of the passenger brake dust cover at the front. Yeah, it's awful.